It's spooky season. These next 2 months, we will be doing a ton of Halloween-themed DIY. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more spooktacular videos. Today, I'm channeling my inner Tumblr girl. This skull cutout was all the rage in 2014. I'm low-key excited that this DIY grunge aesthetic is having a comeback. Okay, so let's get into it. All you need is a white color pencil. You can also use a crayon or chalk. I've even seen some people use a bar of soap. You'll use this to draw out the design. You also need a good pair of scissors. If the scissors you have are dull, you'll end up with a headache, so make sure they are extra sharp. And last but not least, you'll need a plain black t-shirt. I always get mine from BulkApparel. You can get a ton of shirts for super cheap. The first thing I did was find a design that I liked. I searched on Google Images under skull shirt, cutout. There are plenty of designs to choose from. Feel free to get creative and tailor it to whatever comes up in your mind. I drew the left eye first by creating 3 sections with an upside-down Y shape in the middle. For the left eye, I made an oval with a strip down the middle. Next is the nose. I did this by making 2 teardrop shapes with the right side slightly larger than the left. For the mouth, it is best to start drawing the top row of teeth. To make it centered, draw the 2 front teeth right under the nostrils. After the top row of teeth is complete, you can work on the bottom row. Finished by drawing 2 triangle shapes at the end. Now take a moment to appreciate your drawing because the next step is to cut up the shirt. Cutting the shirt took the most time for me. It was about 30 minutes. Make sure to take it slow and steady. You don't want to accidentally cut one of the connecting pieces, especially when cutting out the teeth. After all your cuts are complete, give your shirt a little stretch so that the cuts look cleaner. The cool thing about this shirt is that you swap out the undershirt and mix up the style. If you want more spooky-inspired DIY ideas, make sure to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. BulkApparel.com